Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy does come in Delmonico red. It looks great, and you do have the chrome accenting on the grille as well as the chrome bumper up front. You do also have halogen quad headlights right there, very bright. And coming around the side here we do have 17-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look great, and those rims look very nice as well. Lots of tread left on them. You do have the 1500 and Hemi badging there, and you do also have heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming around to the back, we have a 5-foot box, lots of room to store stuff. You do have a chrome bumper back here as well. Back here it is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. It looks great, nice and shiny, and there's tons of room to store stuff back here. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. Now on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. You got your handle here and another handle here, and some storage right down there as well. Very nice interior, very soft seats, very comfortable. They'll be good on long car trips if you have to sit for a long time. You also have the controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams all there. As well as right here you do have the controls over your high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Okay, we got our keys here, so let's start her up. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. It does say that we need some gas, so we'll have to do that right away. Now we can also change that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B, as well as we have our messages, screen setup, settings, and you can turn the menu off if it was distracting to you. Now you can control that all from right here, as well as you have your horn in the center and your cruise control options on the other side. You get your gear shift right there, and then we do have our radio right here. So we have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM, as well as our media if we have one hooked up through USB or through aux cord. We also have our info there, our ABC, and you also have your presets down here, your volume up and down with the power. You have your skip and your pause and all that, as well as your audio, your menu, and your back button, and then your browser there. Down here we do have the controls over our 4-wheel, our 2-wheel, and our 4-wheel low, as well as our neutral. And then we have our hazard lights here. We have the power, as well as the AC and the heat. Then over here you do have where it's going to blow out of. Traction control and tow and haul mode. And then you also have a bit of storage there. Got a plug in there, and another one right over there. And right here we do have some storage. Got some more down there. You do have your 3 cup holders on your armrests here. You can lift this up. You have some coin holders there, as well as you have a USB plug-in, 2 USB plug-ins, sorry, and an aux cord. You can close this up, lift this guy up right here, and you do have another seat under there. It does seat 6 people all together. And then over here we do have a top layer glove box and a bottom right there with our owner's manual inside of it. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here you do have the same kind of handle as the front. You have the control of your windows and the handle here, as well as some storage down here. Very nice back here. It is lots of room since it is the crew cab. Very comfortable. You can lift this up and you got some additional storage underneath there with some cup holders. And then right over here we do have some storage underneath the seats. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2018 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.